what keeps you motivated in a challenging world?
What keeps me motivated in the world is who I want to be.
Sit down with Georgie, come take a seat.
Where does Robert come from?
Robert, I was raised by my mom, my 3 sisters. Deborah, I love you. Joanne and Edith. My 3 sisters, I love them.
Yes.
We come to so when you say where I come from,
Yeah.
I'm Mamisoga by tribe. Those are the names.
Where no Lipsonga?
Yeah, Mamisoga by tribe and Mamusengori. So
I thought I had done a research about you. The only thing I didn't realize that you were Musonga. Okuba Kimona.
Ngazira.
Is it
And I'm a
Nandi?
prince.
Oh.
Sadam Land.
Sit down with Georgie, come take a